Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on Vauxhall Corsa 2014. For that, turn ignition off, press and hold this trip button, turn the ignition on. This inspection light will start flashing. Keep holding probably about 10 seconds. That's resetted. Release the trip button, turn the ignition off, back on. All done, good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.